Hey and welcome back to another Danish video. Last time we looked at Ledsætninger and we talked about how they are standalone sentences. Be sure to take a look at the previous lesson if you need a recap or you didn't see it. For now, let's move on to Ledsætninger. I have a question here. Hvad en ledsætning? Hvad en ledsætning? Hvad en ledsætning? Simple answer is, a ledsætning is a sentence that cannot stand alone. It's a sentence that doesn't make sense on its own. An incomplete sentence. For example, fordi jeg åbenbart elsker det. Fordi jeg åbenbart elsker det. Fordi jeg åbenbart elsker det. This sentence, in a way, doesn't make sense on its own. The words make sense, but it's missing something. If I randomly said to you, because I apparently love it, you would be waiting for the rest of the story, right? What do you love? The conjunction fordi, meaning because, makes this sentence very unclear. Okay, moving on. So, my next question is, hvad ordstillingen i en ledsætning? Hvad ordstillingen i en ledsætning? Hvad ordstillingen i en ledsætning? Let's take the above example. Fordi jeg åbenbart elsker det. So let's forget about the word fordi for a second, as this is the conjunction. As you can see, the word order is subject, adverb, verb. Jeg, subject, åbenbart, adverb, elsker, verb. It's important that the adverb comes before the verb in this kind of sentence. This structure, combined with the previous class on Ledsætninger, is the foundation of Danish grammar. Once you master this, there's not so much more you have to master. Okay, moving swiftly on. Ledsætningskonjunktioner. Subordinate clause conjunctions. In the last class/video, we looked at the 5 main clause conjunctions. Can you remember them?